Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Almost everybody know we are doing layer ISO, meaning layer isolation. Today I am going to teach you something interesting like object isolation. Example, you want this one isolate or this one. Just you can select like this and right click, and if you go to the isolate, there is isolate object. If you make isolate object, it will isolate only the object what you select. Once you finish the isolation or work everything, whatever you want to do the changes, you will just go and check isolation. So the difference between this one, if you select ISO, layer ISO, just I will select this one and I am claiming the ISO. Okay. So what happened? The ISO again I will go setting, yes, enter, and go off, is off, off, off. So enter. Now I will go lay on because before sorry, lay enter because the previous settings was when I use lay ISO it will not have everything. Now I make off. So if I select this one of this or anything, even if I select one object, any line, lay ISO, so what will happen? It will isolate the layer. Layer. Whatever layer included, it will isolate everything. But lay object was any objects different. Let's say you select this one, right click, isolate, isolate object. So only the particular line what you select will be isolated. So the command also it's there. You see when I'm using this one, I select this. I want to isolate this one, right click, isolate, isolate object. So you see this one, isolate objects in the command. So let's select again. Let's type isolate. So you see this one, isolate object, unisolate object. So you can type in the command isolate, so it will be isolated. And unisolate, yeah, this one unisolate, so it will be written back. In the same way, there's hide also. I will tell you in another video because it's too much. I don't want to make now 10, 15 minutes video. So I hope you understand. In next video we will meet you inshallah. Take care. Bye.